Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for Yamaha XSR900. This one's in the 60th anniversary speed block colours, and gorgeous that it is too. 2016 on a 16 plate, only done 1,668 miles. Just as it left the factory, it's just beautiful. They come with traction control, ABS, a funky digital dash, which I'll show you in a second. Nice little billet aluminium parts on XSR, upside down forks. Same engine as an MT09, just a little bit different. I like these, I do. It's got engine protection down there, hasn't it? That's a nice added extra. It's a really nice little feature. These are all solid aluminium, not cheap plastic or anything. These aluminium parts up here on the side, they really are cool, like a cafe racer style. A lot of people put little tail tidies on and chop all this down and stuff. Really are cool bikes. I'll show you the dashboard. Just get the camera to focus on it, should be alright. There you go. Oh. 1 second, there you got like a funky digital dashboard. Oh, indicator horns, there you go. So you've got different rider modes, gear indicator, so you do have traction and ABS as well. Traction control is just adjusted off here, so you can adjust it down or off. Then you've got your rider modes over on here, A, B and standard. Right, we'll give it a start for you so you can hear it. 850 triple, they're nice engineers. Cracking, and they're a brilliant bike to ride these, and they don't last long, so be quick, come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.